your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
It's an alert morning for dense fog across the region. The Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory up for our area. Posted information about this on our website, mysuncoast.com, and our First Alert weather app. Encourage you to get those items if you have not seen them or looked at them for a while. Good information on them. This advisory will be issued through 10 o'clock this morning, at which point it will be allowed to expire. But I'll tell you what, out in Gulf waters, that sea fog will linger even longer than 10 o'clock. Look at these visibilities, reduced now to 0 miles in Venice, meaning some very thick fog across the region will certainly increase your commute time. It's gonna impact you, so allow some extra time this morning. Distance between cars is increased, low beam headlights are being used, and the speeds are also being reduced in order to give you a safe commute this morning. Quarter-mile visibility in Punta Gorda, half-mile in Sarasota, but these distances, these visibilities kind of come and go, ebb and flow as the fog kind of breathes in and out. In some places it's really thick, and in other places it's not thick at all, but will be in a half an hour or an hour. So just be aware that as you're driving along, those visibilities can change rapidly. Across the region by about 8 o'clock this morning, I think the fog will still be around and lingering over Gulf waters, certainly. And then as we head into the evening hours, things will kind of quiet out. And we'll be looking at a lot more sunshine around. Should be a very pleasant evening. The fog will have lifted. And I think the sunset should look pretty nice tonight. Not much in the way of a rain chance tonight, but I think by overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, we might see a few scattered showers around due to a stronger south flow. Could see some fog forming again tomorrow morning as well. That's certainly possible in the morning hours. Sea fog particularly. And with a southerly flow, some of that sea fog could be pushed back toward the coastline and produce a similar situation today. What we will have working in our favor is that the winds might be elevated just a little bit tomorrow, so perhaps the risk of that event might be reduced a bit, hopefully. But I think by tomorrow night, it'll be a first alert night again because of a frontal boundary approaching, which will trigger a line of showers and potentially even thunderstorms that could move through the area during the evening hours, disrupting your outside activities. Lightning pops certainly not out of the question, but this line will be non-severe. We're not looking at severe weather here, but to the north of us, if you have kids in say, Tallahassee or in Gainesville, there could be some isolated instances of severe weather further to our north, so let them know that. These showers will be moving through here lickety-split, and by, I think, early in the morning on Saturday, we'll see some serious clearing begin to take place, and I think most of Saturday will be spent sunny, but significantly cooler. Rain showers over on the other coast, not a lot here locally, but you can see them back to the west transitioning into snow where that cooler air is located. Areas of low pressure develop and drag that front closer to us by Friday night. And that's the reason for the potential of some thunderstorm activity. Rain-free today, however, but tomorrow, not so much. Again, sea fog lingering across the region through probably late morning into the afternoon, and a first alert morning called because of that dense fog advisory up till 10. The fog clears, we have mostly sunny skies, and another warm day. Tomorrow, a 70% chance of thunderstorm activity, or shower activity at least, during the evening hours. So it could be an alert night as well. Non-severe thunderstorms, however. 76 degrees, another warm afternoon with falling temperatures during the overnight, leading to a much cooler day on Saturday, only about 63, and a little bit breezy on Saturday. Saturday night, temperatures drop further into the 40s, so that on Sunday we only make it into the 50s for a daytime high. It'll be a chilly day on Sunday despite the sunshine, and Martin Luther King Day will feature temperatures slightly warmer, but not much, coming in only in the lower 60s.